morning. Today is 30th of December and we only have 2 more days left of the new year. For the new year I have an annoying spot. Let's call him
Why would we call him Pino?
because like I don't know why he just bothered to show up. I didn't ask for him to attend my New Year's first days of 2020, but apparently Nino or Pino wants to be here. So yeah, basically yes, I'm gonna try and continue vlogging even though Vlogmas has finished. So yes, I mean yesterday I didn't vlog much. I'm very sorry. I mean I did capture like what we ate, our Sunday lunch, which is my typical Sunday lunch. You're always going to see that for Sunday because I absolutely love it. We also watched X Factor. Well, I slept in X Factor because I was really tired and I was a bit in pain as well, so I just slept it off. And then this morning I met a friend of mine, Christabel. We used to work together. I love her to bits. And we went to the new Starbucks in Slema and I got a cinnamon swirl. I think that's what you call it. It's like a Cinnabon. It's like a fake Cinnabon. And a cafe latte. So yeah, that's what my morning was. Now I'm gonna go for my nan and we're gonna go to Marielle to do our hair because my hair is a crazy hot mess. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, and then we have no other plans for tonight. Yesterday I uploaded my Vlogmas. Today also I'm announcing the winner of my IKU giveaway. I hope you all have a lovely, final days of the 2019, and let's go into 2020 with a bang. Don't forget that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And also if you like my videos and want to be notified every single time a new video comes out, then press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. I also have Facebook, Instagram, so definitely check me out over there. I have Snapchat, but I never use that, but anyways, whatever. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go for my nan and I'll see you guys later. Oh, also I want to film what I got for Christmas as well, which would be pretty cute. I think I got this from my nan. It's on my keys. She's cute, isn't she? She's adorable. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. I'll speak to you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone, this is my look for New Year's Eve. Happy day 31, basically the last day of 2019. I'm off to a little party that our friends put together. So this is what I'm wearing. This was like a dress from Boohoo, quite old, necklace from eBay, lipstick is MAC, but basically this is the look. I'm also using a Morphe palette. Anyways, happy new year everybody, and I hope you enjoy celebrating. Remember, be safe, don't drink and drive, and take care of yourselves. Happy New Year from me to all of you. So yeah, bye! Good morning everybody. Right now, 1 second. Right now it is 6:45 exactly. And I'm about to head to work because I have an early morning when I have work. Yesterday I did not vlog because today is the 2nd of January and yesterday was the first day of January 2020. All I vlogged was the amazing food that we ate at Luke's house, so thank you so much to his parents. The food was delicious. In fact, it was so delicious that the rest of the day I mostly spent it asleep. I was so tired. I don't know, I just literally had a really good nap. I edited today's video, which is going to be coming up today because I didn't want to put up any video on New Year's Day. And the giveaway winners are going to be released, my last two. I'm really happy how the giveaways went. I managed to do 12, so I'm very happy about that. But yeah, I'm going to work now. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello everybody, good morning, well, good afternoon really. Wow, Nino now has a twin brother or sister, and actually Nino is healing, but his brother and sister is
Like, yo, Kezia, let me tell you something.
we need to last a bit longer, so that's where we're at. Basically, God, the sun, I need some sunblock again. Basically, yes, sun in January, crazy. Basically, I finished work. I had work today. Yesterday I didn't do anything as well. I had work. I released my video. But today I had work. But now I'm going to go to the DHL locker box thing because I have a package which I have no idea of who it is. I don't know what it is. So I'm very excited. And what better day could it have come on rather than Friday, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm literally turning on my car and gonna leave work, and yeah, exciting. So let's go and get this parcel and I'll show you what it is because I have no idea what it's gonna be. So yeah, bye. Oh, I received the filter by Molly May because I am going to try and suntan, and basically I got the dark shade, the extra dark shade or the dark shade. So I got the dark shade, so like filter by Molly May, and you open it like this. It's actually, the packaging is so, oops, the packaging is so cute. I love it. Look at the packaging, so pretty. And then I also got the little mitt for your face, and then the bigger mitt to do your body. So I'm gonna be trying it out hopefully this weekend if I have time. This was the package that I received, and oh my goodness, it's from Pixi. So I'm very thankful. So I'm going to open it, guys, with you. Let's see what there is. So the box opens like this, and it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just try and open. Ooh, hey, I managed. Oh my god, look at this. Pixi celebrating 20 years of glow. So over here we have, every look begins with a flawless base, which is why for 10 years we've used the most beneficial skin-loving ingredients. Effortlessly enhance your natural beauty in a few fast-free minutes with our award-winning multi-use favorites. So these are their favorites. Oh my god. Okay, so this one I've actually tried and I absolutely love this, but I think this is the Rose Ceramide Cream. Yes, this is the moisturizer and it smells amazing. Absolutely love this moisturizer. And then this Glow Tonic, I use it every day in the morning and in the evening. I swear by it. This one, I never actually tried the Glow Mist. Oh my god, I never tried this. Oh my god, the shades are so pretty. But I think I have this one. And then this is the Endless Silky Pen, which I don't have. And then this one, never actually tried it. It's a glossy lip plumper. Oh my god. Thank you so very much to Pixi Beauty. Absolutely, like, I never expected this. Oh my goodness. You have some like radiant, soft, youth enhancing. These lipsticks are amazing. I absolutely love this formula. Flawless, fuss free, cruelty free, glowing, natural. Oh my god, authentic. There's authentic there. It's basically hashtag 20 years of glow. So thank you so very much to Pixi Beauty. I was never expecting this. You honestly just made my Friday, so thank you so very much. I will be doing a video, I think, using these products. I will definitely be doing that, so yes. Hi everybody, so good morning. Today is Saturday, 4th January, and I am here at the post office because I have 2 giveaways to post because I couldn't meet them, and we just decided, I just told them, you know, I'll post it for you, it's not a problem. And also I have another gift of somebody else and I will be meeting her as well. So that's I have all the giveaways sent out and given. I just have one more to basically give, and then all my giveaways would have been sent. So I'm really happy. There are a total of 18 giveaway winners and a total of 12 giveaways. So yeah, that was pretty pretty awesome if you don't ask me. And also after meeting everybody, I'm going to go and do my hair because it needs a bit of a refresh, and you know, new year 2020.
So why not?
So yeah, that is basically my Saturday morning, and this is going to be the last day of this week's vlog. And yes, I need to film some videos ASAP because I have no videos filmed for my for my channel, so I definitely have to do that as well. I just didn't have the time. Anyways, I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I hope you've been enjoying my vlogs. Just in case, I think I'll probably like come here and talk again, but you know, just in case, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys later probably. See ya. Hi guys, so I just got my hair done, and oh my goodness, I'm blonde again. I'm so very happy. It's really pretty. Look at it, so blonde. Love it. So I'm basically heading to Greens now because I'm gonna meet the girls, and we're going to have lunch together. I'm not going to have time to film a video today, so it has to be tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to film 2 videos. Build force, Ashinkella Hana Alura, or else I'm going to go fall backwards, you know, which is not what we want, because next week I'm going somewhere. I'm not gonna be in Malta. So yes sirree, I need to get things done, things in order. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do now. So tired, I'm really tired, I'm really hungry actually. So yeah, looking forward to some food. So I'm gonna go. Love me hair. Thank you so much, Marielle. Absolutely love it, and her mom as well. So very much. I love it. Love it. Okay, peace guys. I hope you all have a lovely day. Mwah.